Well, hello there, YouTube. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before I jump into today's video, I just had to come up here and show you guys this gorgeous hair from Candy Hair Extensions. This is their Brazilian straight 22-inch lace frontal unit, and you guys, I decided to try a new product, which is the She Is Bomb hair wax stick. And when this product says it is bomb, it is definitely bomb when it comes to actually laying down those flyaways. I'm definitely enjoying this product. And I also used the Cream of Nature Essential 7 Treatment Oil to help blow dry and flat iron my hair. So if you are struggling with having nice, silky, straight, bone straight hair, make sure you check out the description box for all the products that I'm using in this video. So guys, today's makeup look is going to be something very different and dramatic. I wanted to do something bold that I've never done before. But before I jump into today's makeup tutorial, I did want to just take a little time to talk about voting. And the reason why I bring this topic up is just because with everything that is going on around the world around us, this has just been something that has been on my mind to really share and encourage other people to go out and vote, just because voting is a privilege, you guys. Some people aren't able to vote, and in some states, when you do become a convicted felon, that privilege or right to vote is taken away from you, and in some cases you can never get that back once that happens. And I also just wanted to remind those watching this video that a lot of people have died for other people to have the right, the ability, the privilege to vote. So please do not discount the idea of voting, because voting is your voice, and when you don't vote, you allow other people to make other decisions for you. And to my millennials that are out there watching this video, you guys, we are 1/3 of the population of the United States, which is about 75 million people, and only 30% of us actually go out and vote. And that is a very, very low number, and we definitely have the capability to flip those numbers. So if you want to know how to register to vote, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. And I also want to encourage you guys to not only vote in national elections, but also in your state and your city local elections, because for one thing, the chief of police and the district attorney are two positions that are appointed by other city officials, and they're also positions that can be voted on by the citizens in those localities. So please take the time to educate yourself on the people that are working for you and working around you. And you guys, please do not forget to vote. Again, all the information to register to vote will be listed down below in the description box of this video. Alright you guys, so the first color that I'm using is from the Nickak New York 23 Perfect Colors palette, and this is a beautiful deep purple shade, and I'm going to be using a light fluffy eyeshadow brush to pack this color all over my crease area of my eyelid. And I'm using a packing motion just because I can get more color on the lid by doing this instead of just sweeping the eyeshadow back and forth. And I'm also going to drag my eyeshadow further down my inner corner just to give it a more dramatic eye look. Next, I'm going to be using a more dense eyeshadow brush to use this beautiful, beautiful deep blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this color from the BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going to pack this eyeshadow again over top of that purple shade. And while I'm packing the eyeshadow, I am also going to be blending it at the same time. And this is going to help with that transition. And also, this color combination made a third color as well. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I really loved how this transition came about. Next, I'm going to be using a flat eyeshadow brush to cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm also going to go back in with a smaller concealer brush just to make this cut crease as precise as possible. And I'm going to also set that concealer with the NYX Set It Don't Fret It powder. Alright you all, now it's time for the fun part. Today I'm going to be using fine glitter from Fairy Tale Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using the colors Purple Rain and Blue Luxe. And you guys, these fine glitters were only $5, and my girl really should have charged $25 because they are literally so pigmented, so bomb. The quality is definitely amazing. but what I'm going to be doing is using eyelash glue as my base to adhere the glitter. And I like using the eyelash glue with the wand just because you can get a nice even consistency of glue. I know the first time that I tried to do a glitter cut crease, I used regular eyelash glue and it was just very clumpy and lumpy, and that feels so uncomfortable. So definitely make sure you smooth the glue out first and then go in with a flat eyeshadow brush to pack the glitter on. So what I'm going to do is pack one half of my eyelid with the Purple Rain, and then the outer corner of my eyelid is going to be the Blue Luxe. Alright you guys, and this is what the eye look is looking like so far. I definitely love how this came out. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Oil-Free Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques to blend this foundation out all over my face. Next, I'm going to be going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, under my nose, on my mouth, and then underneath my chin as well. And I'm going to be setting this with the NYX Banana Powder, and I'm also going to be baking as well. And y'all, please do not mind my wig. I didn't realize how crazy I was looking right here, but I did just decide to do a glueless install with this look today. So if y'all want to see a glueless install, please let me know in the comments and I would definitely make a video on that. And also give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video thus far. Alright you guys, and like I said, we are making this look very extra today. I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Palette to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, as well as my nose. And you guys also let me know down below in the comments what products that you guys like to use for contouring and highlighting your face. And right here, I decided to be a tad bit more extra and use my needle nose tweezers to actually use some eyelash glue and bring out my mole features. I do have a mole on my cheek and underneath my nose, so I decided to bring those out today with this look. Lastly, for the lips, I am going to be using some more products from Fairy Tales Cosmetics. I'm going to be using their lip liner in the shade Naked, and I'm also going to be using their lip gloss in the shade Madre. You guys, I'm telling you, these products are definitely amazing, so please don't forget to check out the description box down below because I will have links to these products as well. And the lashes, I cannot forget, are also from Fairy Tale Cosmetics. These are in the style Fantasy, and you guys are definitely going to love the products when you get them, so don't forget to check the description box down below for links to all of these products. Alright, you all, these are the final results. I definitely loved how this look came out. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, you guys, and also remind someone else to register to vote. And don't forget to check out the description box down below so you can support a small business. All of these products are truly amazing, you guys. And also do not forget to stay safe out here, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video.